which one's a terrorist and which one's a patriot? The one who stays at home and burns their country to the ground before sucking tyrant cock? Or is the patriot the one in faraway lands murdering innocent people? The rest of this is instrumental. Except for... Come on.
In the councils of government, we must guard against the acquisition of unwarranted influence, whether sought or unsought, by the military-industrial complex. The potential for the disastrous rise of misplaced power exists and will disastrous rise. Good evening, my fellow Americans. 4 major wars among great nations. Military-industrial complex. We must never let the weight of this combination endanger our liberties or democratic processes.